Yeah, so Hoarders, and this is our FTC into the Deep DIY Field Assembly Guide.
We wish each and one of you good luck and have a wonderful season.
Now, let's get started.
These are the materials you are going to need in order to make your own into a deep playing field.
Firstly, we are going to assemble the submersible by creating two structures out of wooden planks cut according to the measurements. The two triangles at the bottom will ensure the stability of the submersible.
The second step is to attach the two structures together using a longer plank and some screws. An electric screwdriver is going to make your work much easier and will secure the plank tightly in place.
The third step consists of attaching two PVC pipes to the planks using 3D printed pieces designed by us. This will be the high and low rungs on which your robot can ascend during endgame. We also inserted a wooden pipe in order to make them more sturdy and to avoid them bending when pressure is applied on them.
After that, we need to repeat the same steps so as to create the same structure. Now that we have two identical ones, we can attach them together using a smaller wooden plank.
The fifth step consists of screwing the holders in place so we can attach the small PVC pipes in order to create a low and high chamber on which we can store the specimens. The sixth step requires creating an egg shape out of two planks and then screwing them on top of the submersible to provide even more stability.
Lastly, we are going to assemble the baskets. Secure them to the planks using zip ties according to the measurements and place them in the corners of the field. Make sure to secure the planks to the field walls using zip ties. Thank you for watching our Into the Deep Field Assembly Guide. If you have any questions, make sure to address them in the comment section and don't forget to download our 3D printed materials from the description of the video. We wish each and every one of you a wonderful season.